We've created a sample trip called Let's Go Adventure for you to explore in, but you also can create a new trip as well. To use your booking credit, from the planner, go to the Explore tab in the upper left. In our sample trip here, it'll direct you to New York City. However, you can change this location, the dates of your stay, the number of adults, other people in your party. You can also use filters to narrow down your stay even more. Once you find one that you want, you can click on it, either on the left panel here, or on the map, cards will open that allow you to see more details. Clicking either will take you to the room's detail page. This is where you'll see the available rooms and their rates. Any available booking credit, including during our Black Friday promotion, will be seen on the checkout page, which you can access by selecting the room you want and pressing checkout. Here, you will see the appropriate booking credit has been applied. From there, you'll verify your identity, add in details about the guest, and your payment method. You will then hit complete booking, and your reservation will be directly confirmed with the hotel. Once you've confirmed your stay, it'll be added into your planner. From here, you can start building out your trip to make the most of it. Should you require any additional assistance, you can press the question mark in the upper right, which will open up our Help Center.